Hey guys, it's Justin here with Walking with J Ren. Apologize for the long hiatus. We're gonna get into that during this video. There are new changes coming to the channel. Things are gonna change. Number one priority and thing that is going to change that you will no longer see on the channel. There will not any longer be any cannabis content involved in this channel. Reasons being is for part of the change that's coming up. Where I want the channel to move forward to and what my goals are with this channel and what I'm trying to do, cannabis content, unfortunately, although I'm supportive of it and it is a medicine to me, it's too restrictive to the channel for me to do it. It's blocking too much of an audience and preventing me pushing the main goal of this channel forward. So, with that being said, cannabis on this channel, there's not going to be any more of it. It's done. At least for the foreseeable future. So, that being said, let's move on to point number 2. What is the main focus of this channel? And what is it? What is my mission and what do I plan to accomplish with this channel? Let's say. My main goal is for people to understand the true importance of nature's insane empowerment over our mental health and how it is deeply tied and connected to us on all levels: spiritual, mental, physical, emotional. All aspects of our lives are deeply tied to nature alone. There's literally a physical magnetic connection or energy that can be felt with nature and human beings. And I'm assuming it goes with other animals as well. That being said, I want to bring content that is nature-oriented for people that maybe not comfortable being outdoors. They're in a position mentally and emotionally where they just are not comfortable doing that. And so the goal for the channel is to focus on just these hikes outdoors, and just positive talk. We're going to talk about positive things. It's just, and then for those of you guys that want to talk and discuss things mental health wise, whatever, whatnot, you can contact and reach through me on here, and we can move forward on whether or not how we discuss communication in the future. But I think in today's times where mental health diagnosis, suicide rates, addiction problems, all this stuff is just going to an insane high levels, and this deep attachment to just this life of social media, of watching TV and trapping ourselves in our phones and video games and this and that is a huge part of the problem. And I think if we can push people to get out of that kind of procrastinating laziness, which I myself am a victim to. I do it myself. I try not to, but I do. But just getting out of that nature of doing that. It's not healthy at all. I mean, it's just not. You gotta get out, be active, get this connection. It's physically, emotionally, mentally beneficial to you. And I think with today's youth and our younger generations, we're seeing huge increases in these obesity, mental health issues, all this other crap. And it's because we're too fucking lazy nowadays. We don't want to get out and do things. We want things handed to us. We want that instant gratification. You gotta get out of your comfort zone, man. Sometimes you gotta work your butt off to get anything. That's part of what's been going on lately, is I've been, this last month and a half, dealing with insane mental health stuff, where I'm just physically drained, mentally, physically as well, because I'm working these jobs, going paycheck to paycheck, and barely being able to afford gas or anything. But I got lazy and complacent and just sat on my ass during 90% of that, until just recently I started going back out and hiking again, and my attitude and my positive mindset started coming back. And it's something I think we need to really push the message forward, that we need to get people outdoors more. We need to get them connected with nature more. And we'll see this giant increase in positive mental health going forward. There'll be less anxiety, less depression, less drug addiction problems, less obesity, and all this other crap. So that's kind of where I want to push the channels forward, and with its message is just really using nature as a strong tool to empower our mental health. That being said, a lot of these videos will just be kind of going on hikes, going to places I've never been before, just picking random dirt road and going down it and seeing what's down there. Going in the rivers, hiking the riverbeds, doing stuff, going all over the place. And just keeping politics, religion, and all the other media-influenced crap out of the content. And just strictly focusing on nature, what's on the path in front of me in that video, and nothing else. There's no negative influence other than, ooh, I'm going to get a little sore on the hike. Who cares? There will not be any of that other crap. Okay? That being said, like I just said a little bit ago, I'm in a position right now where I'm still going paycheck to paycheck. I have to work my butt off right now just to get gas in the truck. That being said, I am looking and asking for people's help and support to push this message forward and allow me to bring you guys along on these trips and progress forward, going to new places and new experiences, and showing you guys this without any negative side shit going on. It'll just be strictly nature. That's it. That being said, things like this, the truck, Little Red here, needs things for that. She needs to get set up to where I can camp out of it. I need equipment that I need to get. Camping gear, battery packs, power equipment, stuff like that. I need to get that stuff in order for me to get to new places and bring you guys on these new experiences in nature. I'm going to still continuously work my ass off and do what I can to get to a point where I can get most of this taken care of myself, or try to. I am asking for people who are willing to help donate and support to this cause and let us push forward the message of nature and its positive impact on mental health. And let's get this message forward of getting people out of this modern media and social influence and getting back to the roots of who we are as humans and what we are and why we are supposed to be connected to nature. So moving forward, this video is going to be strictly, there's not going to be cannabis content. Like I said, there will be no influence of politics, religion, sex, whatever, none of that shit. It'll be strictly nature, up close and personal, and a little bit of hearing me. Sorry for that, but hey. So if you guys are willing to help or are willing to donate any type of things, you can get a hold of me through my email or through my Cash App. So if you guys are wanting to donate or help to this cause and pushing forward a positive message of nature and mental health, my Cash App is $JREN1989 for Cash App. And then emails, like if you're wanting to make a donation or something and want to get a hold of me, my email is Renick, so that's capital RENICK. Wait, nope, scratch that. It's 1989 Renick, RENICK 19 UNA@gmail.com. So for any of you guys that are willing to help support a message of nature and mental health, please feel free to donate onto that Cash App at the $JREN1989 or email me. I appreciate you guys, and I hope that we can push this channel forward and push the message of using mental health recovery through nature. And I really look forward to trying to push this channel forward and that message. So I appreciate all of you guys. I love you. Namaste. Have a good one.